Today we'll be discussing about first mode of heat transfer, that is conduction. So we'll be understanding this concept through this experiment shown in this image. So what are the apparatus used for this experiment? Let's see first the list of apparatus. Bars of stainless steel, aluminum and copper, a candle, a burner and pins. These are the apparatus used for experiment. Now procedure. What is the procedure for this experiment? Take stainless steel or iron, copper and aluminum bars of each about 30 centimeter long and having a same shape. So bars should be of equal length and same shape. And next thing is apply the wax spots with the help of candle at a distance of 2 centimeter from each other on all the three bars. So wax spots are applied on these bars at a distance of 2 centimeter on each of the bar, and stick a pin. After that, stick a pin in each of these spots so that it is upright. So you can see the pins are here in the upright direction. These are stick a pin in each of these spots. So you can see the pins in these wax spots. Now insert the ends of all three bars into a flame at the same time. So how this is done? The bars are placed on a tripod. The upper part of this tripod is circular. On that tripod has three legs. So on this tripod these three bars are placed, and their one end is placed right above the flame. So now here what is written here? Now insert the ends of all three bars into a flame at the same time. You have to insert the one end of the all three bars at the same time in the flame. Now observe for a while. So what is the observation? What do you see? From which bar do the pins start falling first and why? So as the bars get heated, the heat is transferred from one end, that is this end of the bar, to this end, right? So as heat is transferred from one end to other end of the bar, the wax will start melting, and one by one these pins will start falling to the ground. You can see few pins are fallen to the ground here. So why this is happening? Heat is transferred from one end to other end, and while transfer of this heat happens, the wax spot starts melting and the pins falls to the ground. Now what is the observation here? Pins fall starting from the end near the burner. So the bar end which is near to the burner will be heated first, and the pins from that part will fall first. Now it means that transfer of heat takes place from the hot end of the bar to the cold one, right? Now this transfer of heat from the hot part of an object to the cold part is called conduction of heat. What is the definition of conduction? The transfer of heat from the hot part of an object to the cold part is called conduction of heat. Now here the pins on the copper bar start falling first, and the pins on the steel bar fall comparatively late. And why is this happening? The pins on the bar start falling first. Why this is happening? Because heat is conducted quickly through copper, and on which factors this conduction of heat depends? The conduction of heat through a substance depends on the property of that substance. So you can say copper is a good conductor of heat than the steel bar and the aluminum bar. The conduction of heat takes place through a solid substance, shows that medium is required for the conduction of heat. So whenever there is a transfer of heat by means of conduction, you will see there is a medium, always a medium, because conduction of heat requires a medium, right? The conduction of heat takes place through a solid substance shows that a medium is required for the conduction of heat. Now, what are the things to remember in this experiment? You should be able to draw this diagram and name each and every part while drawing this diagram. Okay, whenever you are being asked, when question is asked in exam, you should be able to draw this diagram and name each and every part. After that, you should be able to write apparatus list, procedure, what is meant by conduction, and what are the effects of or the observations of this experiment. So when you write all these things, then only you will be getting full marks. Now in next lecture we will see next mode of heat transfer, that is convection, and after that we will see radiation. So next lecture will be about convection. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.